Okay, I'm going to record right here and see how this works. I have brownie mix. Let me get my camera adjusted here. I'm going to make brownies today. Let's see. I need my brownie mix, and I'm going to pour it in the bowl here. And
add brownie mix.
there it goes. Okay. Next, we need to add
a half a cup of water.
All right. And then
add a quarter cup of vegetable oil. Add 1 egg.
Crack my egg.
Stir everything together and then pour into your baking pan.
And that's the process for making our brownies. I connected all this with MakeyMakey, and I have my sounds coded over here in Scratch. So, hope you like it.